Making consistent characters in AI videos just got way easier, which is a huge breakthrough for AI filmmaking. You can now create incredible AI videos using the new Kling 2.1 start-to-end frame tool, combined with Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash, also known as Nano Banana. Just a few days ago, creating a single consistent character meant lots of trial and error and a huge amount of effort. But now, with Nano Banana AI and the latest AI video generators, the whole process is super simple. You can bring your ideas to life like never before. I'll also show you how you can generate videos using start and end frames to keep character consistency and do it for free. Go to Gemini AI, then in the corner, select the 2.5 Flash AI model. The Gemini 2.5 Flash image model is Google's advanced image generation and editing AI that enables users to create, transform, and edit images with simple, natural language text prompts. Now, click the plus icon and upload your character image. Then ask Gemini to create another version of the image that you need for your character. As you can see, I've added a prompt text tailored to my needs. Now click Generate and wait a few seconds, your image will be ready. These two images are almost identical. Same outfit, same background, and they came out exactly how I asked. Now we'll use OpenAI to change the image background. You can switch up your video background without changing your character. Go to OpenART AI. Now select the image option here. You'll get 40 tokens for your first sign-up, and each image takes 30 tokens to process. If you want to process more images, you'll need a subscription, but don't worry, I'll also show you an alternative option. Now click on the model or character option. You'll see options like Nano Banana, Flux, Seed Dance GPT, Ideogram, and more. But we'll go with Nano Banana. Here, you'll see the option to upload images. You can use up to 4 images, but I only need to upload 2. First, upload your character image, then upload your background image. After that, in the prompt box, just type in what you want the AI to create using those images. I asked the AI to place the woman by the lake and have her look directly at the camera. In the size box, you can set the aspect ratio. For this example, I'm choosing auto size. Below, you can choose how many images you want to generate. Since I have fewer tokens, I'm selecting just 2 images. Now click Create and wait a moment for the results to generate. The images are generated and they turned out perfectly honestly, even better than I expected. The only downside is that in the free version, you can generate only a few images. But don't worry, you can use ChatGPT to process your images instead. Let me show you how. First, go to ChatGPT. Click on Try ChatGPT. Now click the plus icon and upload your character image, then upload your background image. Once both uploads are done, ask ChatGPT to place the character into the background image. Now click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your image will be ready. This image is also well detailed, and the character turned out exactly as I needed. But if you want to try OpenART, you'd need a subscription, and as a beginner, it's not a great idea to spend money right away. Now, let's create a video using these 2 images as our start and end frame. We'll be using Kling AI on a free trial. Let's see what happens. Go to Kling AI. Kling AI is a next-generation AI creative studio focused on generating and editing images and videos using advanced generative AI models. Click on the Create option. Here you'll see the Kling AI dashboard. Now go ahead and select the Video option. In the Video section, you'll see the Start and End image options. We'll upload our start and end images here. When you log into Kling, you'll get some tokens to generate videos and images. Let's see how it works. Click to add a start frame and upload your first image. Once the first image is uploaded, go ahead and upload the second image as your end frame. Now add your video prompt in the prompt box. Make sure your prompt is detailed and covers every part of the scene perfectly. You can also use other features to get the best output, but since I'm using the free version, the premium features might not work, so it's better to skip them for now. Here's also a feature for negative prompts. You can write the parts you don't want to appear in your video. When everything is set, click Generate. So, I don't have enough tokens to generate the video, and it seems like I'd need a subscription, but don't worry. I've got a way to make this video completely for free, and I'm going to show you how. Go to Hailuo AI and click on the video option. Once you do, you'll see the image to video feature, where you can upload your start and end frame images. First, upload your start frame image. Once that's done, upload your end frame image. When both images are uploaded, type your video prompt into the prompt box. Now click Generate. You can create up to 2 videos with Hailuo AI, and if you need more, you can make multiple accounts. This video is ready. Using this method, you can create more video scenes for your film. But for expert use and to get the best results, you'll need to purchase a Kling AI subscription.